Books are a great way to allow your users to read web content in a more linear way. If you compile information in the wiki that has a well-defined structure, it makes sense to offer a book navigation. As an example, I want to create an employee manual. I switch to books from the entry points in the main navigation. This link can be deactivated by admin users in the configuration manager if a wiki does not have any books. Here you see the books organized in different bookshelves. What is a book in the wiki anyway? A book is a collection of wiki pages that share a book navigation. When you create a book, you add a single book page that links to its wiki pages. Let's try this out. I click on Create New Book on the Books page. I could also click on New Book in the menu of the New button. First, I enter a title. I can also add a subtitle which will be shown on the book's cover page. If you want to group multiple books together, create a bookshelf for them. If you don't have a cover image, the wiki will automatically provide a neutral image for this purpose. I already have one uploaded for my employee manual which I can use. Save the book page. This creates a page for your chapter navigation in the namespace book. Next, we create the chapters. Click Edit to switch to the book editor. Click Add Element. Select the node type Wiki Page Chapter to add your first page. As a target, find the wiki page you want to add. Add a chapter label if it should be different from the page name. Let's check out the metadata. Here you can define additional book properties. Some of them will affect the PDF layout, others will simply be passed to the PDF as custom properties. Refer to the help desk page about books for a full overview. To speed things up, we can mass add the subpages of a particular page. Here, I want to add subchapters to my introduction chapter. I mass add its subpages. You probably want to adjust their labels for the book navigation. In addition, you now need to drag the pages below the parent page as subchapters. New pages are always added to the end of the book. Drag them to the correct location. After saving the page, you see the book's tree structure. Here you can select chapters for the PDF export. Go back to the books page. From the company bookshelf, click on the preview image to open the book. If a page is associated with more than one book, a selection menu allows you to switch between those books. To make changes to the book, click Edit Book at the end of the chapter navigation. This brings you back to the book editor. If you maintain a large book, it can be helpful to switch to source editing mode to insert pages and to reorder them. As you can see, each page is simply listed as a standard wiki link and the chapter level is indicated in wiki list syntax. Like most wiki pages, the book page has a version history and you can revert to any version if needed. On the bookshelf, you have the following options available for each book. You can switch to the menu editor, directly download it as PDF, or select individual chapters in the tree view for the PDF export. If you delete the book, you only delete the book navigation page. The wiki pages that were included in the book are not deleted. You can edit the metadata, for example, to change the cover image. Please note that if you host your wiki on-premise, the book cover is only used as a preview image and not shown in the PDF export. You need to create different PDF templates directly on the server. In a BlueSpice Cloud Wiki, the cover image is shown in the PDF export and the PDF layout can be directly customized in the wiki. If you assign a book to users or user groups, these users can set up notifications based on their assignments to be notified about changes. If you already created books prior to BlueSpice 4.5, note that there no longer is a bookshelf tag in pages that belong to a book. This allows pages to be associated with multiple books and prevents that approved wiki pages are set into draft mode after being added to a book. For more information, consult the help desk page about books.